Hello friends over at Scott Crossing. I am so excited today to be showing you one of our awesome 3-bedroom floor plans. The floor plan is called C3 and it is 1,472 square feet. I'm gonna be showing you guys all the things, all the really cool features. And yeah, definitely hit that subscribe button so that way you can see all of our freshly homemade videos for you guys showing you our units live in real time. So without further ado, here is the C3. Apartment 5318, which is actually available today. Very aesthetically pleasing entryway. You've got this really nice tall door with wood paneling. You've got a spotlight, which keeps the hallways nice and bright when you walk up to your door. We also have keyless entry doors here. So when you scan your key here on the door, it allows you to manipulate the deadbolt and open up the door. If you lose your key or forget your key, it's very easy for us to help you out with getting back into your apartment and getting a new key to replace the old one. Here we are. So without further ado, let's go inside and check it out. But when you first come in, to your left, you have a full mudroom. You've got some upper shelving there for you to store books or decor. You've got the middle shelving here for coats or to hang up your keys. And then you have a bench here for you to sit down and relax as you take your shoes off, and you can store your shoes here and your guests as well. So you actually come in to a beautiful mudroom. So one of those home style features. Next here, you've got these two doors, again with the gorgeous wood paneling. This is your washing and dryer. All of the apartments have washers and dryers included, so you will not have to lug your big washer and dryer with you and figure out how to store it and move it. We actually have it built in here for you. Right, and as we enter the apartment, after the hallway, you come right into the gorgeous kitchen space. The kitchens here are probably my favorite part. So you've got these really beautiful light fixtures, the spiral kitchen faucet, which is a really cool aesthetic. You've got your super extra large refrigerator. Actually just get in there myself if I wanted to. You have your beautiful white cabinetry with black handles. These are actually soft close, so no slamming. I also love the penny grout backsplash. And let's not forget the under cabinet lighting. What would we do without that? Now you've got these beautiful glass cabinet here and a built-in wine rack. There's also a range hood. Now this is something that you typically would not see in an apartment. Typically your microwave is here, but here we have a functional range hood for you with lights, and you also have ventilation to the outside. So if you actually like to cook, this would be a really cool kitchen for you. And let's not forget, we actually do have a microwave in here for you as well. There's also your dishwasher here, some lower cabinetry on the sink side as well. And a big window to bring in all the natural light for you while you cook. And let's not forget to mention the built-in pantry. The floor-to-ceiling cabinetry here is gorgeous. All right, so we're gonna swing right onto the living space. So the living space is right off of the kitchen. You've got a huge wall here. I would say depending on the type of TV screen size that you like, you can definitely fit a 75, 85, and probably even bigger on this wall here. There is a huge open space here for you to get a nice size sectional and accent chairs, and you will also be able to fit at least 4 bar stools at the countertop as well. So you can either have a dining table in this area if you like, a small bistro table, or you can just use your huge kitchen island as your dining space as well. This here is the first bedroom I'm gonna take you guys into. One thing that I love about this bedroom is the barn doors. There's also an opening here at the top to allow natural light into this bedroom area. This room will be a perfect office space. Or if you're looking to become the next most famous YouTube star or TikToker, this room has awesome acoustics. It also has really great lighting. LED recessed lighting throughout the apartment with dimmers. And then you also have a closet in here as well. So depending on what you want to use this room for, whether you want it to be a bedroom or if you're going to be becoming the next famous TikToker. Alrighty, so this is actually entry into the bathroom from the guest bedroom. So essentially both the guest bedroom and the master bedroom suite are set up just about the same. I will go over what the differences are in a moment here, but you still have a double vanity, tons of cabinetry storage, 2 hexagon shaped mirrors. The mirrors here are so beautiful. And you also have a deep soaking tub here. And a huge closet, just about the same size as the master closet pretty much. The shelving and storage actually goes all the way behind the door. So I do love all the custom shelving that we have in the apartments here too. You're gonna be able to maximize your storage potential in all of the bedroom closets. Here's a view of the bedroom for you. And this door here is the same door that is going to be the guest entry and exit from the second bathroom. Alrighty, so we will go and check out, actually before we stop, just look at how beautiful the kitchen is. Again, the apartment does have recessed lighting. All of them actually have a small switch that will allow you to adjust the dim settings. Bedrooms have ceiling fans. Super cool feature. Definitely helps with the breathing at night and also just keeping the air flowing inside of your apartment. And here is the master closet. Tons of storage here, and actually I love the height of the shelving because if you decide to put dressers in here, you don't want your clothes to be folded on top of the dressers. So the height of the shelving is perfect because if you decide to put a dresser or 2 dressers inside of this closet, you will have room to actually hang your things and not worried about it having to be folded at the top of the dresser. And then here is the master bath. This is my favorite part. So you actually have a built-in linen closet, your double sinks, your beautiful mirrors. And then this is where the shower gets a little fancy. So this is a Euro style tub and it's beautiful. I'm actually gonna step in to show you guys the versatility of this shower. So the shower aspect is super cool. You actually have the regular nozzle here, which is adjustable. You can make it go up, you can make it go down. You can actually adjust the nozzle and how it stands as well. So that's a really cool feature. It actually stretches pretty much all the way to the tub. And then there's also the rain shower head here too, which is awesome. The way that works is there is a converter on here that you would just turn and you can either have the water coming out of the standard nozzle or you can have it coming out of the rain shower head. But there's more. You actually have a tub in here. So you got a bathtub, and you can kind of do it all at once if you want. I'm actually gonna hop in here. Okay, so I feel like in video, you can't really tell how big our tubs are. So I'm actually 6 feet tall. I'm gonna go walk and get inside of the tub so that way you guys can see what it looks like. So I can very comfortably just kind of sit down in here and relax. It almost feels like an infinity tub. It feels like you can just turn the water on and just let it flow over. You won't have to worry about it getting out because you're in a Euro style tub. So yep, the Northrop Raven tubs are the best way to go. All right, so last but not least, we will go and check out the patio. One thing that I really love about this patio specifically is that it's covered. So if it rains, you're covered. And it actually has just like these little wall panels that kind of gives you a little privacy. This is facing toward our courtyard. Our Zen courtyard, so it's very quiet. There's a fire pit out here and a place for you to kind of go and relax and unwind. We actually have a grill and a green egg smoker down there for you as well. I'm gonna show you guys those. The green egg is there and the grill. All right, guys, so this apartment is not gonna be available forever, so don't wait. Beat the summer rush and make sure that you call us and inquire on our 3-bedroom apartments. If you are looking to move ASAP, this apartment is actually available today. So just let us know. We can get you in for a tour, give you a full walkthrough so that way you can see everything in its actual size, and enjoying all of these beautiful finishes and amenities that we actually have to offer here for you guys. So please call us, text us, email us, visit our website at livescottcrossing.com, and you can do all of those things. Thank you guys so much for checking out our videos. Please click the subscribe button. Thank you.